Good morning, you guys. Today's vlog is going to be a wake up with me video. Basically just sharing what I'm going to be doing today. I am about to have breakfast, just made my bed. I have a couple things to do around the apartment. I personally also like to clean in the morning a little bit, at least pick up. And I might be repotting one of my plants today because it really needs it. And then I'm going to be getting ready for the day, doing my makeup and all that, showing you guys some of my favorite products from Bobbi Brown. That portion of the video will be sponsored, but I have been a huge fan of Bobbi Brown for a really long time and have been loving those products that I'll be mentioning. So I'm really excited to share. But with that being said, let's move on to the rest of my day. Alright, so I've shared on Instagram that I've been journaling in the morning using the 5-minute journal. I have been really in love with this recently, so I'm going to be doing that, drinking some water, my reminder, because if not, I wouldn't be drinking water, and my morning vitamin. All right, so breakfast is ready. I'm having a really simple one this time, just some black coffee with a little bit of sugar, sourdough bread with butter. I've been obsessed with this butter. It's just like such a great one. And then hard-boiled eggs with lime and salt. I love adding lime to everything, but to hard-boiled eggs, it just makes a world of a difference. So, bon appetit.
They call you Lady Luck, but there is room for doubt.
I remember it like it was yesterday.
I actually have a lot of paperwork to get done, so I want to tackle this as much as I can. So let's get to it.
For any other questions, press 3.
All right, that literally took the entire portion of my morning, technically. That is my least favorite task about adulting, like calling numbers, calling your health insurance, calling for doctor's appointments or your apartment, for example. That's what I was dealing with right now. Oh, I just hate it so much. I miss my mom doing all of that for me. So yeah, my least favorite thing about adulting. However, it got done and I'm really, really happy about that. I just need to do one more computer task and then we can get ready. And we are officially done with adulting. I am now going to do my makeup and show you guys the new products that I'm using. All right, so let's begin with skincare because to me, it is the most important step when it comes to applying makeup. I feel like the base really does says a lot about the way that you apply your makeup or the way that it looks throughout the day. So this portion of the video is sponsored, but like I mentioned, I am so ecstatic to be talking about this because it's a product that I've been using for a really long time now, and it is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. This is a 2-in-1 type of product, so it's a moisturizer and primer in one. It's a great canvas. It's super hydrating on the skin. I absolutely love this on my face, and especially in the morning, I like to apply this because I feel like it wakes me up for some reason because of the scent. It has a citrusy scent like grapefruit, which I love. So it truly helps you wake up, and I like to massage my face in the morning, just like wake it up. And that's probably weird, but I don't know, just truly wakes me up in the morning. I love it. So I just quickly want to go over a few fun facts and great details about the face base because I think it's amazing and great to know. So again, it's a moisturizer. It's really rich but not greasy on the skin. It's very hydrating, softens the skin. It has a cushiony feel to your skin as well, which I love. Like, it just feels healthy and like you drink a lot of water, you know? Like I mentioned, it has a grapefruit fragrance since it is one of the ingredients. Yeast extract, which provides oxygen to energize skin. Pretty cool, I did not know that. And it also has shea butter, which helps create a cushiony texture, instantly absorbing into skin for maximum conditioning. So overall, it's a really hydrating, not greasy, just healthy moisturizer slash primer, perfect face base. So I love this dearly, but they came out with a baby one for the eye base. So this is the vitamin enriched eye base, and it's their new baby to the family. This is what it looks like. And this one, I'm going to apply it first because I love applying this, especially in the morning. You can obviously do it at night as well. I love applying the eye base because not only does it provide brightening and hydration, but it's a great canvas for your concealer and corrector. So it's going to help with not getting creases under the eye whenever you apply your concealer, which is something that we all, I feel like, stress about. So this is great. It just like glides right on. I'm obsessed with it. And another great thing is that this eye base provides radiance, brightens the under eyes, and is great for wrinkles. So it's going to diminish the fine lines that we have, which is something that I'm trying to prevent now that I am in my late 20s. I feel like the earlier you start taking care of your under eyes and just like face wrinkles overall, the better. So I am obsessed with these two, and they're just like match made in heaven. A new product in my makeup collection though is this corrector. I normally only use concealers, so I've never like tried out correctors before, and this, you guys, it's life-changing. Like, let me just show you the difference between my eyes so you can tell. So I use it with my ring finger and then just dab it and blend it out. If you want to go a more natural route, I feel like this is great to just wear for a no makeup day. But I mean, just look at the difference. So after, before, it speaks for itself, honestly. I am obsessed with this. You can use it before foundation alone, to be honest, like a no makeup day like I mentioned, or after foundation as well. Now for foundation, this has been a beloved favorite for me. It's the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It has 15 SPF, and I am actually going to use an old one that I have. The same shade, it's Golden Honey 575. It's my shade, but this foundation is like my perfect match. So, all right, so blending this outwards. Don't forget to drink your water. I also received this brow pencil. I normally use pomade, but I want to try this one out because it's angled. So let's see. Oh wow, it's really pigmented. If there's anything you've learned about me when it comes to brows, is that I don't make it perfect because I go afterwards with my concealer to clean my brows and make it perfect. And now to clean it, moving on with concealer, I'm going to be using their Instant Full Coverage Cover Concealer. Full Cover Concealer. So I'll just lightly apply it under my eyes like this, I also like to apply some in the middle of my nose and then just blending it out. You guys already know I like dusting a little of powder under my eyes, to be specific. All right, I got 2 of their bronzers. These are matte bronzers. This one is in the color medium. That's what it looks like. And then this one is golden light. So a little bit more cool tone and a little bit more on the yellow undertone, which is me, basically. So with a bronzing brush or contouring brush, I'm just going to lightly bronze up my face. I also like dusting it in my lids. Remove the rest of the loose powder. And I have 2 of their Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks, which I'm so excited to use. These are new for me. And the shades that I have it in is Vanilla and Golden Bronze. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. I think the Golden Bronze, I'm just going to apply generously all over my eyes. Same on the other side. The good thing about this is it literally is Longwear. What I would recommend though is to blend it right away, because it, like, once it dries, it stays there, you know? But this is really great for a quick eye look. It looks more put together than you think with just one color. All right, so that's what I'm going to do with the Golden Bronze. As you can see, it's pretty subtle. And then with the Vanilla, I'm going to apply it in my inner corner, because I personally like that look. And then with another brush, just blending that inwards. You can also take it from the actual tube. Okay, so we're done with the eyes. For highlights, I'm using this Beauty right over here. This is what it looks like. It's so stunning. It's bronze glow. So I'm just going to apply it like I normally would. Wow. It's my kind of glow. I love yellow highlights, like yellow gold highlights. All right, so lastly, I'm just going to go in with mascara and apply a lot of layers, as we all know. All right, so I quickly lined my lips, and now I'm just going to use this lip balm. Honestly, one of the best lip balms I've tried. It's just so hydrating. And that, my friends, concludes my everyday makeup, a really quick, easy everyday makeup. I'm going to be linking everything down below for you guys, so make sure to check that out. I also want to mention that I have a discount code, so thank you so much, Bobbi Brown, for offering a discount code and for sponsoring this part of the video. Now, for hair, I wanted to try a new hairstyle because, I don't know, I've been seeing it around and I've tried it before, but it just... I have a small face, you guys, right? I have a small face, and I feel like that hairstyle looks nice on normal heads or like a bigger size head. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm going to show you guys what I mean, but first I'm going to detangle, ouch, my hair, because it is a rat's nest. All right, so the hairstyle that I'm talking about is the very like sleek and tied bun. I feel like that just doesn't look good on me. Funny thing is, I remember I used to do this hairstyle every single day in middle school and early high school, which was like the regular slick back pony like this, and called it a day. Well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to attempt to rock that hairstyle again. Lightly spray this in hopes that it does something. This is not even the brush I should be using, to be honest. All right. Okay. All right, with the clear brow gel, I'm just going to attempt to get the baby hairs out. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. I don't even know if you could tell, but I'm just going to twist it around like so and make a low bun. Watch this bun like come undone really quickly. All right, this is what it looks like. Tell me I don't look like a doña in the comments. All right, so I'm going to quickly change. Be right back. And we are dressed. I can't get over this hairstyle, you guys, honestly. Like, hello, how's it going? Anyways, I know this is not a repotting plants outfit, but we're gonna go with it because I really need to repot a few of my plants. I need to get up. So this plant, oh, that's disgusting. This plant has been dying ever since I got it. God, like it's so cute. Exactly. So I saw a couple videos on YouTube on how to like bring this baby back to life, and I'm hoping I can do just that because this really needs help. Don't judge. I am also going to be repotting this one that my mom just got me. Here are the things that I have. I'm going to be using this little pot, this cutter, the plants that I'm going to be repotting, and this is the mix that I'm using. However, this is not a cactus mix, so I am really hoping that it works for the string of pearls, but yeah, that's what we're going to use for now. Now to clean this mess. All right, so I just finished making myself a salad, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and feta cheese. And then for the sauce, it's just lime, olive oil, and salt. I told you guys I love lime with everything. But that's pretty much my morning for today. I am going to eat this and then have to head out and run some errands, do some groceries and stuff like that. So make sure to check the description box for all of the products that I mentioned. And also don't forget that I have a discount code with Bobbi Brown. It's Nathalie15. So you guys can go ahead and take advantage of the discount. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.